ODIN uses the latest 3D printing technology to provide the method for quick tooling builds, and most importantly, it reduces your prototype and tooling costs. To give you some context here, 3D tooling is just one part of a proven three-phase system that we developed to do one thing: deliver better than original short-run or legacy castings. In addition, it allows ODIN to bypass many of the traditional foundry steps. In most cases, we can go from 3D model to manufacturing in as little as 3 steps. Hi, I'm Marty Renk, General Manager of ODIN Casting. We digitally engineer critical replacement parts for companies in oil and gas, mining, power generation, chemical, pulp and paper, and municipal markets. Have questions or a part we can evaluate for you? Click the button below this video to schedule a time to chat with me. If nothing else, you'll come away with a better understanding of the digital casting process and how it can benefit you in the long run. Thanks for watching. I look forward to talking to you.